Alright guys, welcome back to the garage. So this is actually my brother-in-law in his, I think it's a 2019 Hyundai Veloster. He got the sport pack. What do you guys think about the blue, man? They're trying to came out looking like the M3 a little bit. What year is it, Annie?
2020.
2020?
Yeah.
Sport pack, huh?
Yeah, performance package.
This thing is nice. Alright guys, so he just drove his car down from Pennsylvania. Yeah, how many miles?
2,500 miles.
2,500 miles from Pennsylvania to LA. Along the way, the front brakes the rotors got warped, we believe. So we're actually gonna be swapping out the front. What do you got? R1 concept?
R1 concept.
R1 concept. Front rotors and pads. Alright guys, I ran into some trouble. This is the craziest thing, man. I never seen this before. So on the lug nuts, they have a chrome cover. I guess they put them on here just for design to look cool or whatever. So this is what it looks like. But when we went to take them off, they're all stripped, dude. We're just going around in circles and they won't come off. Cause I guess over time they get ready soft, so they don't work anymore. It just round out. So I had to cut them off. I had to cut off about 4 of them. Ain't that some shit? That was already crappy design just for looks. You got the cover on top of the lug nut. Craziest shit I ever seen, guys. Alright guys, so to remove the brake rotors and the brake pads, to change them, what you have to do is remove there's a 2 14mm bolts right here, and the 2 17mm bolts, and the whole caliper assembly just come out, and then you can go ahead and change the pads out and then replace the rotor as well. Alright guys, so you're pretty much gonna just do a reverse of what you did. Replace the caliper mounting bracket with the two 17mm bolt. Install the caliper with the two 14mm bolt. And that should be it, guys. I already did this side. I already did the right side. And just a tip, usually when I do brake jobs, I like to leave the brake reservoir open. Alright guys, we're just gonna go ahead and end up replacing the lug nuts, because these really sucks. Shift lights too, huh?
The shift light, yep.
Nice.
There's all that stuff.
Not bad at all. So what's the fastest you've gone so far in this thing?
125 to 130.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then you run out of space.
Yeah, I was in the desert. I got scared. I didn't want to go faster than that.
Damn, that thing sounds good. Alright guys, there you have it. Thanks for checking out another video. Don't forget to smash that like. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Peace.